Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss Apple has released iOS 16 public beta for iPhone 8 and up. Here's how to install it. All details are included in this video. The latest software was previously only available to developers, however, the company has recently released a public beta version that can be loaded on iPhone 8 or later. Cupertino tech company is likely to deliver this software to the public alongside the iPhone 14 at its fall event. The developers had access to a beta version of iOS 16. However, Apple has just published a public beta version. This version will be full of problems and may cause you some annoyance, as it is not the final program and is just intended to ensure that it functions well for everyone. If you want to download the iOS public beta version and you have an iPhone 8 or later, then follow this comprehensive step-by-step guide. 1. Unlock your iPhone. Then navigate to the Apple Beta Software Program website, where you will be required to sign in using your Apple ID. 2. Next, you must scroll down and click on Enroll your iPhone, followed by the download of the iOS 16 public beta profile. 3. Now, navigate to the iPhone settings and select Software Update. You may now download the iOS 16 public beta profile from that location. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.